What's up guys, Vansbreak here back with another video, and in this video guys I'll be showing you how to make this abstract header using Photoshop. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Maybe guys, if you are in the design community or on Twitter, you maybe see a design like this, or like this, or like this, so it looks pretty dope. So today I'll be showing you the right way to create them. So first guys, what you're gonna do is just open Photoshop and a new document by 3000 and 1000 and add a new layer. Make sure if you add a new layer, hide this layer because we need it, and just add two rules, one in the center vertically and horizontally, and go to this corner, create shape like this, drag, and go to the other corner and you'll get something like this. So now create this, zoom out, take the pen tool and just make something like this, and make Control Enter. What the hell? So I will recreate, go there, drag, and go there and create, right click, make, I think make selection, and just go 0 pixels and fill it with a blue color. I choose this one and just fill it with this. So now guys, we have this really cool aqua color, so make Control D and just create a new layer. To create clipping mask, you can right click and clipping mask and just click Alt and just make something like this. And now guys, what you're gonna do is just to take the pen tool, create an anchor point, drag as always, and just create something like this, or maybe the inverse, something like this. Make Control Enter. Now get to the brush, go to the same color and just choose this one and make something like this. I believe it has a really cool effect. Make Control D to deselect. And now guys, what you're gonna do is just take the pen tool, take this one and add a new anchor point, drag and do something like this. So just make Control Enter, go to the brush and also do like this, so you will get something like this. Control G. Now take the pen tool again, make like this, also drag and add a new layer, make selection, make Control Enter and just brush, Control D, hold Alt, sorry guys for the noise, and just do something like this. So as you can see, it's not hard at all, so I'm going to group it and name it blue. And now guys, what you're gonna do, sorry for the noise guys, is just to redo everything in white background. So here guys, I finished this process. So what I'm gonna do is just to add another lighting in the white and just make like this. Take the brush tool, where is it, and just I will do something like this. I think that's pretty dope. And now guys, what I'm gonna do is just to show you some techniques. So what I'm gonna do is just to take the pen tool, make sure you choose shape, then guys create an anchor point out of the workspace and just another one out of it, and make sure if you are in stroke and make the stroke something thick. Then you put it here and just make it thick like this. I think it was really cool, and here it is. So I'm going to choose 100. It looks cool. And now guys, what I'm going to do is just to rasterize this layer, select it, make back control and clicking on the layer, and just create another one. I will pick up these colors, dark blue and this blue, and just take the gradient tool and do something like this, which give this really cool magic effect. Yeah. And now guys, what I'm gonna do is just to do the same thing, or I will create something different. So go to the white one, add a new layer, go to make curve like this, just make sure you re-choose path. I think, sorry guys, I already created, choose path, and just make something like this, which is, and make control enter, and just take the gradient tool again, choose black and white, and make a gradient with a path. And here guys, we have this really cool nice abstract background. And now guys, what I'm gonna do is just make text. So take the text tool by clicking on T. So as you can see, the abstraction is really cool and so dope. And now guys, what I'm gonna do, so here we have our text, and just create a new text. I will choose the Unisans font and the heavy italic caps, so I will write Vansbreak, and the text should be above all of these. Make Control A, V, and just do something like this. And now guys, what you're gonna do is just to take the text tool, choose this one with a white color or gray color, and choose this one with this really cool blue color. I will make it more dark like this, and I will put it not in the middle like this. It's look pretty dope. You can add some social media or like this. Now guys, what you're gonna do is just to crop all of these and make them click on BG, which means background. Just make this one and name it text. I don't know why I have make a group, but I make a group, so I'll name it text, and just add new, and go to adjustments. If you don't have adjustments, go to window and choose character, and just I will, sorry guys, go to adjustments and just take the brightness contrast, maybe the contrast something higher and the brightness something like this to give a shadow effect. And now guys, to go to curves, make a big slide S, go also to levels, make this one at 2 and this one at, I think there's 8, not 8, it's gonna be, I will think 200, yeah, and make the opacity you can load. So here is guys the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I forget, the template is gonna be free in the description. Peace out.